Good day, Mommy Sir. I am Jasmine Hibaya, and today I will discuss my research, which is classroom learning environment and bullying participants among grade 9 students in Sagaing National High School. Countries America, Canada, England, Ireland, Turkey, India, Oman, Japan, Saudi Arabia, Australia, and New Zealand revealed that the prevalence of bullying varies from 43% to 95%, according to some study ni sa Akrampal 2018, reviewing the perspective of many researchers. Bullying is a kind of aggression that occurs in the power imbalance in Hong Kong in Asia. A 23 telephone survey found 53% of 509 Chinese respondents experienced bullying. Notably, most research, over 90%, originates from high-income European countries with Caucasian samples, highlighting the need for Asian-focused studies to address the significant public health concern. In Philippines, a total of 346 grades from 5 different schools in Western Visayas participated in the study. Slightly more than half, 54.1 of the sample were boys and 45.90% were girls. Descriptive statistics were used to analyze data gathered from the survey showed self-reports revealing that prevalence rate of victimizations was 40.6 and that for perpetrations was 23.8. In Davao City, this Aswante Act is prevalent not only in private educational institutions but also in public schools. In the school where the researchers assigned report of bullying incident is very evident and alarming because of its high frequency. More research is needed on the effectiveness of different teachers' responses to bullying. How do different interventions impact the learning environment for all students? Also, on classroom learning and bullying participants from the widespread prevalence of bullying is detrimental impact of learning, the limited understanding of bullying dynamics gaps in teachers' knowledge and practice, the long-term consequences for individuals. Research gap. Classroom learning environment. The indicator is classroom positive, diversity values, personal negative, and persistence and major. Bullying participants. The indicator is bully, assistant, victim, defender, and outsider. Shows the conceptual framework of the study. Classroom learning diversity values, personal negative, and persistence in major. Significance of the study. Generally, this study is significant to its beneficiaries since it will provide valuable information on the relationship between the study independent and dependent variables. Moreover, it will inform the readers of this study on whether the classroom learning environment is a significant predictor of bullying tendency, especially to this study and beneficial for the following student. This study will be beneficial of the students to let them know the behavior and relations of bullying possibilities and reinforce their awareness of the risks of committing bullying behavior towards their classmate or schoolmate. It might be used as an exit operate or to know their classroom learning will influence their tendency to engage in bullying behavior. And second is classroom learning. The result of the study will be beneficial to the classroom learning to help student level of the bullying tendency. It will also serve as the high for them on how they're learning and discipline. Definition of terms. Understanding the concept of victim as essentials in various contexts, including criminal justice, psychology, and social welfare. Victims may require support, protections, and justice to address their needs and ensure their well-being in the aftermath of traumatic events. By recognizing and acknowledging the experience of victims, society can work towards providing appropriate assistance and advocating for their rights and recovery. This chapter presents the research design, the research subject that research instrument in data gathering procedures and the treatment of data utilizing statistics tools. Research locale. Parameter unit. Descriptive equivalent. 4.20 and 5.00 very high. 3.40 to 4.19 is high. 2.60 to 3.39 is moderate, and 1.80 to 2.59 is low, and 1.00 to 1.79 is very low. And now, I will explain my population of the sample. They have 7 sections, which is faith, fortitude, hope, love, justice, prudence, and temperance. Faith is population 40, sample is 24. Fortitude is the populations of 33 and sample is 20. Hope, which is population 39, sample is 24. Love is which is population of 38, sample is 22. Justice, population of 38, sample is 23. Prudence, the population is 40, sample is 24. Temperance, the population is 40, sample is 24. The data and classroom learning environment level is presented in Table 2. According to sources in the information of classroom positive, diversity values, personal negative, persistent, and major, it is noted in the table that the grand mean is 3.70 in the descriptive equivalent of high. This indicates that there is a high level of classroom learning environment. All 10 indicators have a high level of measurement. The highest is a personal negative with a mean score of 3.74, followed by classroom positive with a mean of 3.73, diversity values with a mean of 3.40, persistent and major with a mean of 3.64. The level of classroom learning environment. The item is classroom positive, diversity values, personal negative, persistent and majors. Classroom positive, the mean is 3.73, which is high level. Diversity values, the mean is 3.70, and which is the high levels also. Persistent and majors, the mean is 3.74, the high level. Persistent and majors, 3.64, the high level. And that's all for today. Thank you and God bless.